It's like totally different to a GTI. Like if I try to do something like that, I got wheel spin for days, but this man got all the grip.
Back in it, happening, ready to blow. I remember doing these veggie from the street, they left me on my own. Then they're ringing up my phone. Life changed, but mine's made up. I ain't got line patience, right then.
I don't know what you think of the tunnel sounds, but
brutal, absolutely brutal.
It is.
Like there's a bomb going on.
Okay, so we're in a Golf 7.5R. The facelift Golf R is the ultimate Golf in my opinion. It also sounds quite nice as well. And tell the people, have you done anything to the car so far, or is it completely stock?
Yeah, so I've done a few little things to the car. The car's been lowered on H&R Sport Springs. I want to change that to a KW coilover in the future. The car also has a factory performance pack from Volkswagen, so that gives you the slotted rotors, performance pads, and deregulated speed limiter. So instead of 250 kilometers per hour, you can go to 267. But that doesn't really matter because this car has been tuned stage 1 to 370 horsepower. So I don't know the top speed yet, but it should be above 367.
You might know it in the future on the German Autobahn or something like that.
To the Autobahn. Other than that, there is an Akrapovic exhaust on there. So this was a factory option from Volkswagen. They partnered with Akrapovic. Some of you might know about this system. It's a fully titanium catback system, and it saves about 7 kilos of total weight. And it makes a really nice kind of high-pitched sound, which I don't know if you can hear it in the car, but I'm sure you will see it in the edits on the flybys and the outside shots. So it makes a lot of, just a really nice noise.
It really does, especially on the tunnels, because we already did a little bit of tunnels on the way here. But yeah, with the DSG voice, this thing sounds amazing.
I don't know if we have a shot of the tunnels or not. Maybe we should get a shot for the people.
Maybe we should find some tunnels on the way,
We'll try to do that. So we'll give it a little gas here. Maybe hear the pops.
Yeah, it also has some nice hearable or sounding burbles.
Yeah, I'm not sure if it's picking it up inside the car.
Yeah, a little bit. You hear a little bit of that pop. But it's not really pops and bangs, but it has that, Volkswagen burble. It's not that over the top like 1,000 pops and bangs after like 2,000 RPMs. It's like perfect burble.
Yeah, and the beautiful thing about this system is if I put it back into normal drive mode, it will close the valves and it'll sound kind of just like a normal stock Golf. So I'm a little bit older than Robbin, so for me it's nice to have both worlds and not be going balls to the wall every time.
drive system. It's like totally different to a GTI. Like if I try to do something like that, I got wheel spin for days, but this man got all the grip.
Even in the corners, you know, you can take this no problems.
And did you ever drive this on track or?
I haven't driven this car on a track. I used to have a S3 back when I lived in the US, and I did drive that one on track. I had that one stage 2 tuned to about 410 horsepower, and I used to take it to Sebring, which is in Florida. So some of you might know that track. Shout out to my Florida people.
Florida man.
Florida man. So yeah, but I haven't taken it to the track yet. I want to take it to Nuremberg. I think that would be a good place to take this to the track.
Oh, that is the dream, the
Yeah.
Nürburgring.
I haven't been on it yet, so I think this would be the proper first car to do that.
It's pretty impressive how much faster this thing, or how much smoother this gearbox feel compared to the older Golfs. It's like really a big upgrade.
Yeah, it makes a huge difference. So this has the DQ 350 box, I believe, with 7 gears, and it is super smooth, even from like first to second, which is a common complaint of the dual gear boxes. Is, going from first to second, it's a little bit like hoppy, right?
With the older ones like the Golf 5 and 6, you got that like when you take off in first and second gear a little bit, you got that like feeling like it's gonna break or like it's gonna stall. But with this, it's just super smooth and like no complaints at all. I want to do a huge shout out to the man next to me because he's letting me drive his Golf, and it's also my dream Golf. Like, I really appreciate it, man. Thank you.
No problem.
This is always my favorite tunnel, and now to take this car with it, it's just insane, bro. Oh, I absolutely love the tunnel sounds, man. I don't know what you think of the tunnel sounds, but
Brutal, absolutely brutal.
It
Sounds
is.
like there's a bomb going on.
Those upshifts is insane. In that corner right there, I got so much body roll compared to this Golf R with my GTI, man. It's insane how fast I can take those corners.
Screen, I'm on a Pro Mac. Boy, a daily driver, yeah, that shit gone fully matte black. Ain't about that classic room, I got that fully gold black. Shout out to his daddy, think he fresh, but yeah, that shit's whack.
Oh, slecht op.